Speaking of investor conferences, Jim, yeah, I know you got a heck of a show tonight, including Ned Siegel from Twitter, now with comments that they're looking to double their revenue and reach 315 million daily users by the end of 2023. I think that stock's going to move here in the pre-market.
At 10% easily. Ned is doing – that last conference call was terrific, and I didn't know if it could be topped. But Ned is on tonight, and I really feel like that what's happened is Twitter's going to the next level, maybe whether it be a Clubhouse level, whether it be the fact that Twitter's going the way of what happened with Pinterest. It's kinder, gentler. There are people who would never think these days of advertising on TV if they can advertise on Twitter. Meanwhile, 40 out of 44 campaigns that were on the Super Bowl were also on Twitter. David, Twitter has changed dramatically from being an angry place because there was, what does our president call him? That guy?
The previous guy.
The previous guy.
Yeah.
And a lot of people felt when the previous guy wasn't allowed to tweet, it would be the end. Well, it looks like that Twitter has become more hospitable, and people are using it. The advertisers, David, it's happening so fast. ConAgra, 80% of their ads online. They don't like other places. They can't reach the people. They can't reach the cord cutters, David.
Right. Well, all right. But then explain Facebook to me.
Why? I mean, how the stock's not good?
Yes, because Facebook stock, I mean, does that present an opportunity? Facebook had 33% top-line growth. You've talked about their ability. I mean, whatever headwinds are coming at them, they still seem to appeal to advertisers in a very meaningful way.
They do. Instagram
advertisers
very cheap.
At this point, to what you were saying, are accustomed now to advertising in this way, right. Whether it be Twitter or the big boy here, Facebook or Alphabet.
Well, Gary Vaynerchuk
and this thing trades at a lower multiple than Viacom.
Well, David, I mean, okay, you want to know what's wrong here? Who picks a fight with Australia? Our greatest friend. There's only one guy in the world that could pick a fight with Australia. I mean, they were even with us with Vietnam. No. Zuckerberg attacks Australia. That's the end, David.
That was it.
Well, maybe Canada.
That was his Gallipoli.
Ooh. Hey, that was Churchill. That's Lucid. You killed Lucid.
I did not kill Lucid.
You killed Lucid.
CCIV. The deal came out. People learned that there are 1.6 billion shares out, and they're trying to establish a value for Lucid, a company that's not really going to have meaningful profits for quite a few years.
Well, how about
Fisker? That happened with CCIV.
How about Fisker with that dramatic news? The Foxconn.
Yes.
We should hear from Fisker any minute.
Oh, on Mad Money tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a lot of minutes between now and Mad Money.
Well, look at Henry. This guy is when he got ServiceNow, when he got Bill McDermott, that was it on the board. Real company. Reddit user rally reheats. Are we going to put GameStop in the right corner? Like Yeah,
I think we have to again. I think we have. Maybe we'll put the ice cream with the frog and on one side, and then the stock price, Carl, on the other side. By the way, some of the other ones are moving again too. I think let's check COS. Yeah, COS is up.
Yeah, that's very.
Oh yeah, it's doubling. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
AMC, Adam Aaron, last time took advantage of it because, remember, the movie theaters so far are not doing that well.
Right.
But if you look at Carl, Royal Caribbean is the hottest stock in this market. Why? Because the rates are going up next year. Can you imagine? People are paying more for cruises that may not happen.
It was Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.